Hello everyone, you're welcome back once again. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to search for a meme token using the contract address. All right. So many meme tokens usually list every day. There are thousands of meme tokens that list every day on your Sushi Swap, BNB chain, Pancake Swap, and other dexes. So for you to test it's always very advisable that you test the legitimacy of any meme coin you want to buy before you can go ahead and purchase it. That is why it's always good to make use of the Coinmarketcap. The Coinmarketcap here is one of the best data set companies that you can come here, use their app, and then test any form of or get any form of data of any coin of your choice right here. And any coin that is not present here on CoinMarketCap, you should do away with such. It's not always advisable for me to recommend such coins. Okay, it's not always advisable for me. You need to know, come to market cap. If you are trading any meme, you have to come to market cap and paste the address, get enough data as you can right here on CoinMarketCap before you can even start thinking of how to buy any coin. All right, that is what I normally do. But some coins can get listed on Pump Fund, and some can even get listed on Pancake Swap even before listing it right here. But most of the ways, it's always first advisable to track those coins right here using this CoinMarketCap. So in this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to track that coin. So watch till the end so that I don't do mistake for any reason. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to Play Store and download this app, and after downloading the app, install it in your phone, and then after installing it, you register and then open the app. All right, this is going to be the interface of the app. So after downloading the app, you open it, and then it's going to take you to this section. Now these are all the available tokens that are currently trading on when you open the app. All right, so now we want to search for a particular contract address of a meme coin. So what you have to do is to click right here where you have this alpha. You always click on this alpha. Okay, as soon as you click on that alpha, it's going to open up, and then it will show up this page. Now go ahead and click on this search button right here. All right, as soon as you click on that search button, you can see it's going to show up this. You can see search coins or addresses. Now go ahead and paste that address right here. Okay, all right, and then you click on search. As soon as you paste that address right here, now this is the coin. The coin has just popped out right here. Now you can see the coin, right? The coin has just popped out right there. That is the Henry coin. So to get more information about this Henry coin, you click on it. All right, if you click on it, you can see all the informations that you can get from this coin. All right, now to research more on this coin, always learn to click on this button to know more. If the coin has an active community, you should. One of the ways to research about the coin is to check on the community, know if their S community is active. If it is not active, then that is a red flag to buy that coin, that meme coin. Okay, then you go ahead and also search for the holders of this coin. All right, try and understand the holders of this coin. All right, if the coin doesn't have much holders, then don't buy this coin. All right, now I'm going to be dropping the next video on how to navigate a coin, to perform an in-depth research of any coin before you buy, in the next video. So if any token has been listed or is about to list, there are ways that you can actually catch this token early before they move 100x, and that is what I'm going to be dropping in the next video. So kindly ensure that you stay connected in the Telegram group to know when I'll be dropping that video, and don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you will always be notified on time. So see you in the next video.